Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yene, and today I'm going to show you how to make more interesting your travel picture. I'm going to show you in Procreate how to use animation assist. Let's do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Open a new canvas and then go on the actions menu, click on add and insert a photo. Go on the action menu, click on canvas and crop and resize the picture. Let's go on the actions menu, canvas, turn on the animation assist. You will see a window at the bottom of the screen. The picture will be the layer 1. Click here and set the photo as a background so it will not move later. This is really important. We're going to add a new frame. It's like a layer. I'm going to use the brush airbrushing, medium hard, and now I'm going to select a color. I will use different shades of the same color in different frames. Let's go on the settings. So the frames per second is basically how fast or slow you want the animation. And then you will see the onion, skin frames and opacity. You can adjust them. I don't know why they call the drawing onion. You can also change the skin color of the onion. So basically when you go on another frame, you will see the preview of your previous drawing in the color you choose here. When you turn on blend primary frames, it will give you a blended appearance with other frames. Let's add a new frame and you will see that the previous drawing will show out differently. I'm going to adjust the opacity so I can see my previous drawing well. It just changed the preview but not the real color itself. I'm going to outline the Eiffel Tower in the same color and then I will add a new frame, change the color and outline the arts. And outline again the Eiffel Tower in the new color. I'm going to repeat this process in other colors. At the end, I will have different shades of the same color. I'm going to go on each frames again and add some color to the sky. I think it will be more interesting. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share. I really appreciate it. Let's move a bit the frames. Oh wow. I'm going to play the animation. It's better like this. Let's go on the settings. It's a loop right now. Let's change to ping pong. Play. Cool. Let's go back on the settings and change it to one shot. Okay, pretty short. Let's export it as a GIF. Go on Actions menu, Share, Animated GIF. And then click on Export. Wait. and click on Save to Files. You can rename it. You can choose between iCloud and iPad and save. So let's go back on the iCloud. That's pretty great, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.